Look how nice it is outside today. Woo! Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while. Got my wisdom tooth pulled and a bunch of stuff happened, but today we're gonna install two things on the car. These two things, they kind of bug me, so I wanted to change them out. Plus I got ones that I really had my eye on for a while. Before we do that though, we gotta start the day with a coffee, so let's go do that and say hi to Lance. What's up, dude? See how nice it is outside? Oh, you're such a baby. Bye. I'm gonna get a coffee. You want anything? Of course he doesn't want anything. He's a dog. See you, dude. Bye. I forgot my keys inside. Whoops. And we're good. I got the spare because I don't know where my actual keys are right now and I can't be bothered. We're taking the beautiful daily today. So for the first time in, I don't know, 6 months, probably a little less, it's been warm inside the car. I'm gassed for this weather because that means I can drive the Miata. Let's go. Okay, we're good to go. Let's get back to the house and start installing those amazing things. Yeah, I'll keep that in. That sounded funny, but whatever. Okay, I got the pieces that we're installing today right here. The first thing I'm going to show you is this guy. Now, the problem here, why we can't install this today, I ordered the deletes for the visors and it actually needs them to actually get mounted properly and not just rip off. At a drift event, I have a passenger and they go to grab it and it'll just be a bad time if this rips off and this gets ruined. So I wanted to do it the right way. So we're just waiting for that mounting plate. Toss it down in the comments what you guys want to see the car color. Maybe, I don't know, purple or something crazy. Something that you guys want to see on the car. So just drop a comment, let me know, and I'll look through them. Second piece is a new shift boot. Now this one's from Moss Miata, and it's the leather one they have there. One in the car right now, I think it's a knockoff Alcantara. Either way, Alcantara, you guys know, Alcantara steering wheels, all of them. They all get ruined after a while. Since we'll be drifting the car, I didn't really want something that I could ruin that easily. I'm going for a blackout theme in the interior. This is it right here, the leather shift boot that we're putting in. It's really good quality, you guys can see it, and it does smell like leather. But the finishing touch with this, I did not want to use the OEM shift knob. I'm not a fan of it. It's just a regular shift knob. So we went with a Mishimoto product, a Mishimoto shift knob. That guy right there, so I'll take it out of the packaging for you. There it is. It's a nice metallic, almost black, but in the sun it's more silver. It does have the Mishimoto logo on the top there. So if you're looking for a shift knob that's a little extended, it's also weighted, and I don't know the exact weight of it, but I'll put the link in the description. It was on Amazon. It was $50. So let's go to the garage. So excited. All right, so the car's back on its back wheels. Let's just grab this stuff, toss it in there. I believe for that entire center console to come out, just 4 screws, one there, one right in there, and then one right in there. So there's the Alcantara one, and there's a lot of wear on it, browning, and I just don't like it because the rest of it, it's all black, leatherish material, dashboard, everything, and that just kind of throws me off. Also, I do realize I need a cover for this, but I haven't decided 100% yet, but I might be deleting this entire thing and doing the short console right up to here. Today's video is gonna be a quick one. I just wanted to get this stuff done. I don't know, I have fun filming and I love cars, so just putting it together. So let's go do that. All right, let's get this off. You guys can see better how it's all dirty. It's all messed up. Okay, so we're just gonna start by taking 4 of these screws off to get that shift boot area off and cleared. And I've spilled my coffee. Okay, so that just comes out like that. These fine small spots, these plastic little tabs. So we're just gonna slide each tab, the shift boot over each tab. The shift boot is off. Now we're gonna take the new shift boot and toss it on here. And there it is, all screwed in, just like that. I think with the shift knob, it'll all come together nicely. I love this thing, man. Every time I see it, that's how I feel. Okay, so we're just gonna lay this in. Right here, we're gonna lay it in right here, and then when I toss in the shift knob, I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is back in. This looks way better already. And we gotta figure out what thread size this is so we can get the thread right. Let's get to the shift knob. So we have 3 options out of the threads. I'm gonna try the best one, the closest fit, and try that on. And hopefully it's the right one. Ah, shit. So we got these 3 options, and let's see what fits properly. So we found the right one. I'm just trying to screw it as much as I can before I put the shift knob on, and then use that to screw this thread onto this thread. Here it is, one more time. I like how it changes color in the light a little bit. There it is, let's get this thing on. And then use the shift knob to tighten down to the area that we want it to, which is way lower than it is now. I don't want it too tight, just so it's not crazy hard to get off later. There we go. Shift knob is installed. It's so much wow, I'm getting really excited because it's so much easier to just throw into a gear rather than grabbing the whole thing and pushing back and pulling back like that. It's just so easy to actually bring around, even like bring it here, bring it over here. Literally one finger and just pull back, thumb up, finger back, just like that. Oh, that looks so much better. I'm really happy with this. That looks really good. Guys, look at how good that shift boot and shift knob look from out here. Changes the entire interior of the car, and it matches way better than the old one. Look at that. I am so happy with it. So anyways, guys, thank you again for joining me on this build. And I'm really happy about that shift knob. It's crazy how something so simple in your car can change so much. And even if you don't have the means to go out and buy all these expensive parts that everybody says you gotta have, changing something like that on the inside of your car is gonna change the entire car. How it feels, how it rides. I always wanted to build a car myself. And anybody out there that wants to start, I've had so much fun with this car so far, just working on it, not even driving it. It's so worth it. I got it for 1,600 bucks. You can grab a deal like that this summer, start working on it, man. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. It means a lot to me. Drop a comment, drop a like, tell your friends about it, man. Get this thing going. It's not just me, a guy building a car. I'm being me, I'm sharing me on the internet, and I hope this inspires somebody to go grab a junky car like this. I didn't mean it. A junky car like this, and go work on it. That being said, I'll see you guys in a bit. Ciao.